for every such gathering, there must be a reason. We will learn from our respected Reverend Minister why he's here today. But for us to get to that level, I will do a bit of introduction from our side, and I'm sure that from the other side too, we'll have some introduction. The eminent National Chief Imam needs no introduction. Sheikh Dr. Osman Sharubutu, in whose residence we are here just now. Next, close to him here is the chairman of the advisory board of the National Chief Imam, Al-Haji Muhammad Gado, who is the chairman of the Chief Imam's advisory board. Next to him here is Ladamin Bonsu, who is one of the eminent scholars and also a medical practitioner. He's been invited to come and join us to be by the Chief Imam so we can have a very good interaction. Al-Hajj Abdul Latif Abdul Salam is the PRO to the National Chief Imam. He organizes such meetings. We are here with Al-Hajj Munhamidna, who is a son to the Chief Imam, a special aid, and also in charge of all his projects, including educational projects and so on. He takes charge of that. We have Sheikh Tawfiq here, who is one of the young people on the advisory board. We respect his wisdom, and so he serves on the Chief Imam's advisory board. We have Al-Hajj Abubakar, my one brother, who was also a son, a special aid, but the driver. He takes Chief Imam's movements from place to place. I mean, he does so. We have the chief of the youth of Adama here, who is also with us here. Sheikh Tijani here is one of the young Muslim scholars here who have been assisting the Chief Imam. I think I must mention we are also here with the Chief Imam of the Ghana Police Service, coming from the cantonment, and because of the nature of the sitting, he also has been brought here to assist so that we can get some order in this interaction. My name is Sheikh Arbi Al-Shaib. I'm the spokesperson of the National Chief Imam and also a member of the advisory board. And we are saying I can the back camp of Medina Chief Imam Anemu and in Penifua or Hangiano na ya Mama Akwaba. Reverend also been planning in the Penifua Maba and in Muamuya media people and Adolfo Amunyano and Nemabishimo Haseno. Yabishim Nayidi Yawan Yahunkomo. Yadamas Semunya Munya Bri Namabas. Teach Mammy Yankase, Reverend Minister Baba. And so about one of them. And one say, a bit near Yabaka. They say, it should be to say Piano, I want to send Tia Airbasso. And this I said to know, and able to be a Siamuna, Yahunia, or say, able to me, Akamwasa. And he may have a quick introduction. Young Chief Mamma Afemuno, my church, Yempin, Fono, Senia, Yesipo. Maybe I may do the Medina. Reverend, Chief Mama has got a certain tradition. When he gets a visitors and he wants to know, sometimes he wants to know, maybe you are being chased and you want cover. In fact, he has some security rooms down here. And the way he showed you, he puts you under his care. He takes responsibility to guarantee your safety before you leave this place. That's why he held you by the hand. If it requires that he puts you in a room somewhere, he will actually do so to ensure that no harm affects you. But if it is a peaceful visit to, as you all know, already we are in a peaceful country, then that one even makes it even more convenient for all of us. He said to this, and he said, Chief Mama, that's something there. Ebia Oba said to be our Amania Pine, so no. Ebia the Bibina Tawichi. Now, baby, our Eboba Hobine. Chief Mama, or dying the Bria was here. It's Robin a woman over there, and a dummy horrible shame. There were two such a or how be encounter. Na a subject point to the end already or dog. Any Yabishim has said. Intimestramo, Obia for Nakumatuni, Yama Hano, and yet very orderly. Very orderly. And among Kaisa, a some dream. Bian Kaisa, a some dream, and or dog into the Yeshimo has said. Then if you do something to disturb these two important values, then we have failed. Peace, love, forgiveness. That's why we are here. The spokesperson from this side probably will do same, and then we'll hear the reason why we are here this afternoon. face Reverend Uyama Donko. He was a minister.
Okay. Atabir. Atabir.
Allahu Akbar.
Sheikh, say a better His Eminence, Chief Imam, Sheikh Doctor, no shall the penny for would be Sheikh and Chief. Now would be waiting the moon. The moon asked the kind. The best lady, the penny for a buyer at the end of the show. The kind a apostle doctor, also the back. How you're playing or send a moon or my moon.
Atakbir.
The Chino, Urasani, Urasani, apostle, in paying for a year as a council, the penny battle. I'm not a chartered accountant.
Okay.
What is my way? No, a council member.
Atakbir.
Then you are a council member. I was as a balloon. Said by me, and the apostle, a chief, a free, a sorry, penny. I didn't buy it. May I be here? Said we know you. Apostle, where I may back.
No,
A good. Buy and everything if you must buy the hand. And live about farming. And over the years, you live about the a back, not by more. The embedded for us to be an one chain. It's waiting someone, son, going to be away. Said the woman, ha, then you take him one and I said, I'm saying, make a granny, and I said, we see ya after the first one. I would say, I'll tell you our prayer. Now, so, and 24 is a really penny of PSB. And 7 by, then you know, a penny is eminence, chief member. The making statement be a what TV so any radio. No, and the mass will be about it. And until my Timori, so what can I have one in the roof that say, I might feel you see a sham, a had a year. A GD Minua, obviously, the Islamic faith, and the Christendom. He had to be part one. It is a young paper. Bolivia and Tem. Can I have one of the it is anchored the peace and tranquility and the peaceful coexistence that we have amongst the Islamic faith and the Christian faith. It's anchored on a man who believes in peace. And who by his deeds and actions has demonstrated that we can live in peace and harmony, notwithstanding our different faiths and beliefs. And that is the person I'm talking about as Sheikh Dr. Nuhu Shaributu. Allah. Then when you say, and there is one Latin American poet and politician called Osimati, who once made a statement to the effect that no one has the right to be ungrateful. And it is to be idea of saying, and when I said, Chief Kasa, as we do it for my more. Yura, or small for answer apostle, doctor, I can say, I did if I am a friend, as soon as. And it is said, I was what you can announce. Nobody not see him. Okay. He said, "We buy idea." Was I? Energy, our masochi, anybody going to Asia, and it's a pepper in the Yaba Nas. Now, Abadanas, or as some car or kind and a monto 2 years, and my dears will be by. So, Ankasa, that's I've been getting the beer. Now, so many moon, and Benny that one of the people who are in the Giasa. Sabrina move. And I keep smile as a mechanic said, Nebano, and no, Bibiano, and into what is over in China, or not as a young lady down, and this was over the other train. na ɔba a ɔno bɛdi wɔn sɛ agya ɛne ne ba sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a asomdwe no a yɛn nyinaa yɛrehwɛ no ebɛtumi ayɛ dɛ ayisaka na afei nso so ebisa bi kɔ no nso na saa nkutahodie no ayɛ dɛ ɛtumi ɛsena hɔ ɛsiane sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ bi gyina abɔnten ko a ne yɛkasa ne ba no kyɛn bi ɔka ɔbɛtumi ɔfa telefon afrɛ no sɛ mba bra na wei yɛbɛyɛ ne sei wei yɛbɛyɛ ne sei ɛfiri sɛ mpanyinfoɔ sɛ deɛ de hyɛ no wɔmfa nhyɛ a ɛfiri tɔ nti sɛ wie hu yɛ ha na nyɛ bɔne bia sɛ ade fɛfa a yɛn dɔkta yɛyɛ ɛna asɔ ne ba ne ne nana ɛyɛ apɔsɔ na ɔsi ɛnɛ yɛbɛgya no na yɛfa seda ɛde no nakora afei ɛno akyi no sɛ nkutahodie biara wɔ hɔ a ɛsɛ yɛdi a akora ne ne ba adwuma ayɛ dɛ wɔmatena ase wɔmatumi akyi na afei yɛfa seda so ma mpanimfoɔ atwa chiefo nyinaa so mahwɛ ne sɛ ɔma yɛn ɛsiane sɛ ɔwɔ hɔnom ma ɔma mu no nyinaa ɔyɛ ɔma no adwapadeɛ ɔyɛ ɔma no yɛbibia ɛwɔ nti yɛnam so mu ase nompa ɛpa ɛne mmoa ɛne mo ahoɔden mo atwa n'akyi na yɛn nuanom nso mmoa ha nyinaa so yɛne obi ase sɛ mmerɛ a saa nsɛm no sisi yɛ no mmɔden bɔ nompa ɛbɔ ɛne mo afotuo ama ne yɛbɛdu obi a yɛrɛ ebisa bi kɔ na me somafoɔ sɛ menka nkyerɛ mo sɛ na yɛpɛ ɛbɛyɛ onim a yɛkɔ yi biribiara a ɛbɛba asomdwie no atumi atena hɔ bɛhwɛ so no ayɛ dɛm ayɛ saa asomdwie a yi nyinaa yɛwɔ ɛda yɛ ma asomdwie aka nyankopɔn bisa kan yɛ ma ghana fo nyinaa ɛti sɛ mohu yɛ ha na yɛasɛm tiatiatia yɛba no aseɛ ɛne afotuo dam ase
Atakbir. Yo, waka say we know asa Olman the young things mama fine na woswaka na woka wie no na nka yama ya tani ba kono ya no kakra na de ne aba Olman nchen ye ne sa ne tiawa na yebi nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokasa find them na woso wobɛka yiri kakra find them yeah so Jama, please let's quietly listen to Apostle Osulefa, the little addition you will also make.
Yo yɛda mu nyinaa ase na yɛbɛda chief imam ase paa ɛm sɛ wakyerɛ sɛ ɔwɔ dɔ ɛma nipa nyinaa na adeɛ ɔyɛ na ayɛ me fɛ san sɛ nkanyɛ ɔno asomdwie a nyame de adom no ɛne agya su a wɔ nyame de adom no a kadeɛ siiɛ no kɛbɛtumi de ɔsɛeɛ no ɔhaw pii aba nanso yɛ papa ampene so ɔse owusu bɛmpa yɛ me ba enti no mepa asomdwie ne yɛn nyinaa mfa asomdwie ntena ɔman yi mu enti edi kan bɛda yɛn nyinaa yɛ papa meme deɛ me papa ɛno no prɛko pɛ na ɛtɔ so biem mɛsan so aka sɛ ɛnyɛ ne nko a ɛna yɛba yɛ papa ha ɛberɛ sɛm yɛbɛhyɛ da aba ne asan ba bɛsra papa enti firi ne kɔ ha yɛ fie nyame nhyira mo nyinaa soso na nyame nhyira mo meda mo ase
Atakbir. Yedase. Ɛfɔ so no yɛbɛma yɛpɛni Alhaji Gado yɛ chief man ne advisory board no chairman ɔno no ne kii no ɔte kii no paa nti ya no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔka kii no ɛnam saa nti no ɔbɛka mborɔfo ɔka ne kii no monti ase nti ɔno bɛka mborɔfo na nti aborɔfo deɛ yɛnya yɛ ayɔhɔ biara no ɔte na yɛbia no yɛaba Olman nkyɛn na Olman so atomamɛ. So Alhaji Gado Mohammed, as the chairman of the advisory board, will say a few words.
First and foremost, on behalf of the National Chief Imam, we wish to thank all of you for showing so much interest in coming to witness this event. Again, I want to add this. Muslims and Christians are referred to as faith people. We all have faith in God. This is why they refer to us as faith people. So there is one thing that connects us, faith in God. Now, the peace that we've had in this country, we have not had any Muslim, Christian upheavals like we have in many other countries. It's only because the two main faith groups are at peace with each other, Christians and Muslims. And I hope we should not take it for granted. We have worked for it. We have worked on behalf of the National Chief Imam. We've gone to conferences. We've gone to meetings with Christians, senior Christians. It's all aimed at bringing peace to Ghana. So this must be taken note of. Now, we thank Reverend Owusu Bempah for coming all the way to the heart of Zongos in Ghana. This Fadama is the heart of all the Zongos. And despite what has happened, he has come right into the home. And we thank him for doing that. All that in the name of peace. There's an unfortunate part of what happened. We all know that windows were broken, few things were done. A lot of people maybe do not understand why the youth went out there in their numbers to do what they did. And it's only because people don't take into consideration a fundamental issue in Islam. And that is the issue of prophecy and prophets. We Muslims believe that our Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet. That is a fundamental belief in Islam. So, for us to hear that a prophet has predicted the death of our leader is something that a lot of people may not understand. And those who may not understand obviously may come out to protest. Because in our religion, the last prophet and the only prophet was Jesus. But that is over now. Now we want to thank you for coming in order to prolong the peace that we will enjoy. And I think National Chief Imam deserves whatever thanks he gets for the prompt action that he took. But for him standing out there, seeing him on the TV, hearing him on the radio, telling them that it's all right, take it easy. Perhaps we may not be sitting here today, because only God knows how far that will go. But we thank Allah that by His grace, today we are here together. We hope this will be the beginning of more interaction between the two sides. We should be able, not only when there is a problem, we should be able from time to time to interact with each other. If you have a problem within your circles, you can consult the National Chief Imam. The same thing applies to us. If we send me to you, to also talk to you about what is happening. So once again, I don't want to prolong, because there may be others who might want to also comment and say something. We thank you all for coming. Above all, we thank Reverend for making it possible for all of you to be here and to be here himself. We thank you. And I said this should be the beginning of more interaction in the future. Thank you.